What if I told you there's finally an AI face swap tool that actually works on Google Colab? Meet NeoRefacer, a powerful, free, open-source AI face swap tool that supports images, GIFs, TIFFs, and even full-length videos. It also features multi-face swapping up to 8 faces in same picture GIF or videos. And good thing is it run on T4 free-to-use GPU on Google Colab. In this video, I'll show you how to set up NeoRefacer on Google Colab from scratch, walk through the installation process step by step, and demonstrate how to start creating high-quality AI face swaps in minutes. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest AI tools, tutorials, and open-source projects. Let's get started. How to use NeoRefacer on Google Colab. Click the GitHub link in my description to use NeoRefacer on Google Colab. A notebook will directly load. If you never used Google Colab before, you only need a browser to use it. On Notebook page, click on Runtime and choose Change Runtime option. Choose T4 GPU and click Save. On right top corner, click on Connect and wait till it connects. Once connects, click on Play button on FFmpeg cell. Once it's done, click on Play option on Clone cell. Now Play option on PyTorch cell. Now click Play on Requirements cell. Once Requirements cell load, click on Play option of NumPy cell. Click on Cancel. Now finally run main cell. You will see Gradio URL. Click on it. This will launch NeoRefacer. Upload target picture first. Now upload face picture. Click on Reface. Good thing about this tool, you don't need enhancer, it auto-enhance. And that's it. You now have NeoRefacer running on Google Colab, ready to create AI face swaps for images, GIFs, TIFFs, and full-length videos, all without needing a high-end GPU. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest AI tools, Google Colab tutorials, and open-source projects. If you run into any issues during installation or have questions about NeoRefacer, leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy face swapping!